Hey there, everybody, and welcome to another episode of me explaining game dev concepts that should honestly be taught in kindergarten at this point. But whatever, here we are. Picture this: you're firing 30 bullets per second in Call of Duty. Each bullet spawns, flies, hits something, and disappears. That's 30 create and destroy operations every single second. And what's happening behind the scenes? Overtime, allocating memory, initializing objects, then destroying them and cleaning up the mess like some kind of digital janitor who never gets a break. All of this triggers the garbage collector, which freezes your game for milliseconds at a time. And then your teammates blame you for missing that clutch moment. Alright, so here's where it gets cool. Object pooling flips this entire process on its head. Complete 180-degree reversal. Instead of creating objects on demand like some kind of inefficient fast food joint, you pre-create them when the game loads. Think of it as meal prepping for your game. You're basically preparing 1000 bullets before the battle even starts. Here's how it works, and listen, this is important. The game doesn't create a new bullet. It grabs an inactive one from the pool, activates it, and sends it flying. Like reusing plastic water bottles, except this time it's actually a good idea. It doesn't get destroyed, it just gets deactivated and thrown back into the pool, ready to be used again. It's beautiful, it's elegant. The CPU only works hard once, at startup. During gameplay, you're just toggling objects on and off, which costs almost nothing. Now here's where things get interesting with some real-world examples, or at least reasonable assumptions about real-world examples, because game studios don't exactly publish their optimization strategies. This pattern is everywhere in AAA games. Like, it's so common at this point that if you're not using object pooling, you're basically doing it wrong. Modern Call of Duty titles with hundreds of pre-spawned bullets cycling back after a few seconds. Shell casings and impact effects work the same way. Activate, play, return.